In this video, we will explore Docker Compose volumes. Docker Compose volumes help in persisting data and sharing files in multi-container setups. This is part of the Digital Logic and Design series. Docker volumes are a mechanism for persisting data generated by containers beyond their lifecycle. Volumes offer data persistence, container sharing, and improved performance. Data persistence means that the data will survive even if the container is stopped or removed. Container sharing means that multiple containers can access the same volume. Volumes also improve performance because data is stored directly on the host machine. There are mainly three types of volumes available in Docker. They are named volumes, bind mounts, and temp file system mounts. Named volumes are Docker-managed storage with persistent names and are best for databases. Bind mounts are direct host directory mappings to container and are best for development purposes. Temp file system mounts are temporary in-memory storage and are best for cache and temporary data. Here is an example of named volumes in Docker Compose. In the docker-compose.yml file, under Services, define a database. Use the image Postgres version 15. Then define the volumes as Postgres_data, var/lib/PostgreSQL/data. In the volumes section, define Postgres_data. Key benefits of named volumes are persistence, Docker-managed automatic lifecycle management, and shared access, which means multiple containers can use the same volume. Here is an example of bind mounts in Docker Compose. In the docker-compose.yml file, under Services, define a web service. Use the image nginx. Then define the volumes as .source:/user/share/nginx/html and .config:/etc/nginx/conf.d. Some of the use cases of bind mounts are in development for live code changes, in configuration for host-managed config files, and in direct access for files accessible from the host system. Here is an example of shared volume in the docker-compose.yml file. Under Services, define an application service. Use the image myapp. Then define the volumes as shared_data, :app/data. Define a worker service. Use the image worker. Then define the volumes as shared_data, :worker/input. In the volumes section, define shared_data. Both containers can read and write to the same volume simultaneously. Here is an example of advanced configuration. In the docker-compose.yml file, under Volumes, define my_volume, driver as local, driver options with type as NFS, and device as :path/to/directory, external as false. Key options available are driver, which is the storage backend like local or NFS, external, which means to use existing volume, and driver options, which are driver-specific options. Use named volumes for persistent data. Use bind mounts for development. Name volumes descriptively. Set appropriate permissions. Docker Compose volumes provide flexible data management for multi-container applications. Choose the right volume type for your specific use case for persistence, development, or sharing. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.